So today on Throwback Thursday, we're going to talk about the Raborn Invencer 10 scale dirt oval car. So today on Throwback Thursday, we're going to look at this Raborn 10 scale dirt oval car. These cars were made in Texas by a guy named Barry Raborn. I do know the company is still somewhat around. I do see posts of it. I know it's been sold a couple different times. But these parts were originally made, they were all injection molded. The front arms, the front kick up, which is really unique because it's adjustable. There's a pass-through bolt here and you can adjust the angle of the front end. Pretty cool. And then the steering rack system also was molded as well back in the day. Cars from probably around the 90s, I would say. Probably about 92, 93. I think that's when I acquired this car many years ago when I was a kid. It's unique, kind of like the Titan or the Reflex. It has the upper deck brace and it comes back here to the motor mount, which is an aluminum piece, which is separate from the uprights for the direct drive assembly. And this car has the telescoping drive shafts in the back of it, which Raborn also made those, and the axles, the hubs, the rear arm's the same as the front arm, just like the Customworks car. One unique thing about this is a diff assembly in the back of it. It has a little hole in here, which I can get it adjusted here so you can see that. And you can stick a little Allen wrench in there and you could adjust the diff on the fly. You could either tighten it or loosen it. Which was unique. And this diff assembly did work in both this car and the Customworks car. I know I ran one in my Customworks Intimidator back in the day as well. So super lightweight aluminum diff. And then this car has the purple shock caps on it, which was an option that Raborn sold for the Delta shocks, as well as the aluminum O-ring. This held an extra O-ring in the top of it, so it helped the cap or the body seal up so the oil didn't come out of it as much as the Delta shocks originally just had a plastic cap. So that was kind of unique stuff that he made back in the day. I know there's collectors out there that I see build cars that still have this stuff on it, which is really cool. And it has some 1400 perfect match cells in there and a Novak speed control, which is original to this car. So is the diamond motor from back in the day. This car wasn't ran very much. You can see from the bottom of it, it was ran as a wedge car. I think this one I usually ran the bull link body on, which is what Raborn and all their pictures had painted up in the yellow with the white with the checkered look to it. They also, kind of unique about this, is they ran these cars with truck tires on them. With the truck bodies as well, with the direct drive unit. I know the local track that we had back in the day allowed you to do that, so there were some guys that did that. This car did not get ran as a truck. It was always kept as a 10 scale dirt oval car, and didn't run it very much. But yeah, that's all I really know about it. It's kind of the history, kind of show you guys this car is a pretty unique piece, kind of a time capsule and it's withstood the test of time. It's still in good shape. It's got the silicone cap tires on it that would have been ran back in the day. I think the fronts are greens and the backs are yellows, I do believe. They might be greens all the way around. But yep, she's here. Still looking pretty good. So thanks for tuning in for another Throwback Thursday with Mark. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you on the next one.